Hey guys, hope you can follow along as I show you how to draw Squishmallow Maui the Pineapple wearing a scuba mask. Let's start with the Squishmallow shape, bringing it out, around, and then back up and around like so. Just practice that shape. I'm going to draw a belly lined like this for the pineapple. Now, because it's got a scuba mask on, let's draw an oval shape that almost touches the belly. Comes around like that. Almost looks a bit like an Among Us character. Let's draw the rim. Try and keep that all the same thickness if you can. And let's put a strap around here. 1, 2 lines. See how I've curved them around rather than going straight. Curve that line up. Now let's put the mouth on. 1 mouth, 2 eyes. 1, 2. Now to make it look like a pineapple, we're going to go 5 little bumps. Let's start with the middle bump, like that. And go up, down, up, and then down to there. We need to do the same on the other side. Remember, drawing is practice. Now, it's up to you whether you want to do the pineapple lines now with black pen. I'm going to show you later how to do them with the marker pens.